Hey, welcome back to the channel. And on the bench now that we have is two old school SADELTA Bravo Plus microphones. These are just the power mics, not the Echo Master version. And it does have the Roger Beep switch on the back side, at least on this one. Got a wire coming out of this. Meters upside down on this one. The legs are, of course, uneven and spaced. Oh yeah, this one doesn't have a button, but that came with some parts too. Yeah, this one's seemingly more of a parts microphone here, but we can see if we can make one good one out of two of these. Right now they're wired up for 4 pins. I think both of them are 4 pins. Yeah, but I think we're going to take this, try and work on this one, since a lot of the parts are already off the slider and all that's in the bag too. But yeah, I think this has the two-tone Roger Beep in it, so we'll see if we can get one working here, and we'll try it out. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing for a little bit. So we'll be back with these old school classics SADELTA Bravo Plus microphones. Well, now there is some progress on this SADELTA Bravo Plus microphone. I have the new faceplate. This one actually is the parts. Couldn't even use that, but used some other parts off of this one, because yeah, that is where the actual keying is. So yeah, that is what those parts are right in here. So yeah, that's not gonna work, which is fine, because I know somebody wants the outside cover for theirs, this red like this, so that'll be very easy to do. This, unfortunately, yeah, without that switch and just everything in general, they could be saved, sure, but it was also still missing that slider. So the other slider that's on here will actually fit a lot better. Only thing we have to do is hook up the meter to the front there, but the light goes through right there, and then the microphone goes right here. But yeah, all in all, pretty good. I have a switch in the back for this. And good 9-volt power jack right there, so that's good. And yep, I guess we just have to put it back together again and give it a test. Okay, and we're back with Mr. B's SADELTA. Bravo Plus. Yes, this looks very similar to the Galaxy version that's out now. SADELTA did make these previous, and that's where I remember getting them. I remember getting the SADELTAs that had 2 tones in it. And we're just going to use the Galaxy 88 with the talkback feature enabled here. We're going to work on the top half of this and just a little bit here to make sure it's shielded out properly. I had a lot of them that never came with a shield on the positive, so the negative and positive would short within this metal base. We'll make sure that is in good shape. And we're also going to replace this with just a tad of heat shrink, and he will be in good shape. Now, of course, the foam is long gone. They disintegrate over time, of course, in the 90s. So that's a long time ago, guys. I don't think so either. I think it was just yesterday. But yeah, so if you don't have a foam cover, you can either get one. But, you know, a lot of times these wind baffles from microphones that you get for recording and stuff also work just the same. But yeah, this is in very good shape, the Bravo Plus. So let's go ahead and just test this out real quick. Make sure we got meters and functionality, and then we'll put this all back together with the slider. Audio test 1 2 3 4. Audio 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio 1 2, and that swivels around. There we go. Audio 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio 1 2 1 2. Okay, so we have the meter working, and we do not have the light working here for TX. Usually it's TX or battery light out, I believe. So we're going to check that LED. Audio check 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio check 1 2 3 4. Okay, well, let's figure out if this Roger Beep works on this thing. And I think the only thing we'll have to worry about is the LED. Hello, 1 2, test, test, test. Ooh. Hey, Mr. B, I think that is the Roger Beep you're requesting on your 2950, 2970. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Well. Audio. Wow. This is in good shape, so I think we only have to worry about the LED. So I'm not going to keep y'all too long. We'll do the LED and do the top half of this on the SADELTA Bravo microphone. But yeah, we do have it back for Mr. B. Exactly what he was hoping for is one working microphone. So I do have the other case ready for him for his other one. He wants to swap out the parts for and just put the new case on the other one. So we can definitely make sure that happens for him. But Mr. B, you should be very happy. So we'll see you in part 2. Thank y'all.